So as you can see, this whole place, so this is the kitchen area, which is an open kitchen concept, elegance. And hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair, and today we are at the MVN Aero One Luxury Residences. And before I give you more details about the project, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers, thus giving you the property at a bottom rate price. Housey saves you from the hassle of receiving numerous phone calls from brokers, and Housey connects you directly with the developer. Therefore, you can purchase your product directly from the developer by registering with us at Housey. The MVN Aero One Luxury Residences are spread across 4.5 acres of land consisting of 6 towers, as you can see here. So each of these towers have 2 basements plus ground floor plus 14 floors. And this property is located in Bichapur, Devanahalli, and it has variants of 2 and 3 BHK apartments. You see here on my right, there is a standalone apartment as well. So if you and your family wish for some peaceful, quiet time, but at the same time you want to live in a gated community, this is a wonderful option for you. This property connects you to the International Airport, Nandi Hills, and there's also a proposed metro line within a radius of 11 kilometers. And you have the KIADB Tech Park as well within a radius of 10 kilometers. And you have wonderful amenities like the swimming pool, the gymnasium, and you have some nice lovely spaces to hang out with your family in the terrace area. And this property alone has about 32 plus amenities. You have a nice basketball court, ample parking space, a badminton court, etc. So today we are standing in front of the MVN Aero One Luxury Residences. I'm standing in front of the 2 BHK model flat, as you can see. Come, let's have a look at it. So as you can see, this whole place runs at about 2 BHK, 1074 square feet total area, and you have a carpet area of 725 square feet and a 34 square feet balcony area, as you can see. From here, now let's go take a look at the kitchen area. Come, follow me. So this is the kitchen area, which is an open kitchen concept. You have plenty of space. So you have place for your washing machine, you have place for your dishwasher, you have plenty of cabinets here in the bottom, attached oven here, a lot of cabinets here, almost 2 floors of cabinets here, you can see. So the entire space is very wisely utilized for your storage space. And then right here we have a nice cute little dining area overlooking the beautiful farmland outside. Isn't it pretty? As I take you through here, we have on my right here, we have the common bathroom area. Quite well ventilated, well lit. And then on my left here, as you can see, is your kids' bedroom area. Very cute, very nicely done. There's ample of storage space, and it has these nice French windows, a lot of light, a lot of ventilation, and then you have your cupboard space here, along with a nice space utilized as your bookshelf area. So the kids can tuck away their little toys, books, etc. And it also gives you enough space to not just accommodate a single bed, but also queen size bed. Now let's go have a look at the master bedroom, but before that, let me give you some details about Housey. So if you register with us at Housey, you will get an actual tour of the location, actual tour of the model flat. We're going to explain to you about the pros and cons of purchasing this project. You will also get a 360-degree virtual tour of the project, and also we will help you with the EMI and down payment options available. Now, let's have a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, the first thing that I noticed is this beautifully laid out wooden flooring of the master bedroom. Isn't it gorgeous? It immediately lifts up the space and gives it that added touch of elegance. And the second thing that I noticed as I entered is these gorgeous panoramic French windows, giving you a nice view of the farmlands outside. Well lit, well ventilated, and makes the whole bedroom look so spacious and positive. We also have other variants in this where you have a walk-in closet variant option. You can choose that as well. And it also accommodates a nice queen size bed. You have a nice closet option here. I like how they've utilized this space here as a study area, and also the space next to the window to put in some books. You also have an attached bathroom here and a nice shower area. So you can register with us and book a free site visit by registering with us at housey.com. And if you want to know more details about this project, you can click on the link mentioned below and download the e-brochure. And if you've liked this video so far and loved all the details that we have shared with you, and if you want to see more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe Housey. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat of MVN Aero 1 Luxury Residences, and this is located in Devanahalli.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.